Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Saishavi Thakkar and I make videos about bullet journaling, arts, crafts, food challenges and vlogs. If you are interested in any of them, do subscribe to my channel. So here I have come with another video जिसमें मैं मेरा अक्टूबर मंथ का सब डेली स्प्रेड्स दिखाने वाली हूँ जो मैंने बनाए अक्टूबर मंथ के लिए, जिसका थीम आपको पता ही होगा कि कॉन्स्टिलेशंस और सिल्वर कलर है, ब्लैक एंड सिल्वर कलर। अगर उसका मैंने प्लान विथ मी वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है, अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है तो वो जाके पहले आप देखो। मैं आई बटन में यहाँ पे या फिर यहाँ पे कहीं पे वो लिंक कर दूँगी, सो पहले जाके वो देखो। और उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे आइए, कंटिन्यू करिए। ये वीकली स्प्रेड का वीडियो बनने वाला है। So let's start with it without wasting any further time. So guys, for the first spread I have decided कि मतलब मैं हर मंथ में हाईलाइट, जो वीक हाईलाइट होगा वो मैं ब्लैक स्ट्रिप से करने वाली हूँ इसमें, एंड आई विल राइट विथ सिल्वर पेन ऑन इट। So I have divided the page into 4 equal parts, and I will just write Sunday, Monday and all days on it, and one extra I have kept for notes section. I have done the same thing on the second page with the notes section on it. To write the date, I have cut small squares for it, and I will stick it on the side of the corner and would write dates on it with a silver pen. So I have just pulled out the same theme for my month, which is constellations, and decorated it here with it. सो फॉर दिस वीक ऑल्सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि मैं जो कमिंग वीक है, जिस वीक को मैं इस स्प्रेड में हाईलाइट करूँगी, उसको मैं ब्लैक स्ट्रिप से करूँगी। एंड ऑल्सो टू हाईलाइट एवरी डे आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि मैंने यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे ब्लैक पेजेस पे ऐसे स्क्वायर्स कट कर लिए, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मेक बॉक्सेस अराउंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव शेडोज टू ऑल द बॉक्सेस. And then in those boxes I simply wrote out the date which I am going to highlight. And then I pulled off my regular constellation theme here also. And then I wrote name of the day with just silver lining on the black paper. I just wrote out October with the black pen, and for this month also मैं यहाँ पे black strip का use करूँगी to highlight the week. As you can see, I made blunder here. 18th is Sunday and I wrote Monday, and Tuesday on 19th, but it's actually Monday. So to fix it, I've cut another stripes for it with the same black paper, which is my theme of this month. And you can fix your little mistakes like this. You can pull out anything like this, and you just have to use another pen or something on that paper. By this way, you can easily cover your mistakes like this by sticking just another paper on it. Here also I am going to highlight the week which I am doing here with a black strip. I wrote October with doodles and then filled it with silver lining. So guys, that was it for today's video. This was all my weekly spreads for the October month. I really enjoyed making it so much. So I hope आपको भी इतना ही अच्छा लगा होगा मेरा black, silver and constellations वाला theme. Just tell me if you actually liked it in the comment section below. Do share your thoughts there and subscribe to my channel and like this video अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो. And I'm always grateful to you guys for whatever I have on YouTube here. So thank you so much and keep spreading love, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.